Hey everyone! Welcome to the first practical lecture of this course, where we'll prepare our working environment. In the upcoming 3 lectures, we will create a new Anaconda environment, use it to install the required libraries, integrate this environment into Jupyter Notebook as a new kernel, learn how to obtain an OpenAI API key from the OpenAI website, and finally, configure this API key as an environment variable. Creating new environments for your projects is a highly recommended practice. This way you can isolate different Python and package versions, avoiding potential version clashes. Working in a different environment protects the rest of your work and ensures you can always revert to the base environment and start anew. So, with that said, let's get started. First, open your Anaconda prompt. Then create a new environment by typing conda create _name. Give your environment a descriptive name. I'll go with langchain_env. Finally, for this line of code, specify the version of Python you want to install. Note that the current LangChain requirements include the following. In this course, I've chosen to work with Python 3.10.10. Run the code and wait for the Python installation to complete. Once done, check that the environment is created with conda env list. Sure enough, it's there. To activate it, type conda activate LangChain environment. Great! Note that the text within parentheses indicates the active environment. Let's verify that the new environment has the expected version of Python installed. Perfect! Within this new LangChain environment, let's pip install the following packages: OpenAI, python.env, IPyKernel, Jupyter Lab, and Notebook. While we wait for all these packages to be installed, let me tell you about the purpose of each. The first one allows us to make calls to OpenAI's API. With the second one, we can easily set OpenAI's API key as an environment variable. The final 3 packages are necessary for adding this LangChain environment as a kernel in Jupyter Notebook. As the course progresses, we'll add more packages to this environment. Finally, for this lesson, let's add it to the list of Jupyter Notebook kernels. Type as follows: python-m IPyKernel install _user _name and set the name equal to the name of the environment. Once the operation is complete, open Jupyter Notebook. Check if the new kernel has appeared on the list. Indeed, it has. Great job, everyone! Setting up the working environment is one of the most challenging steps in a new programming journey. I hope it was straightforward for you and you are ready to move forward. Let me know in the Q&A if you experience any issues. Our task for the next lesson is to obtain a secret OpenAI API key. I'll see you there.